A Carnot engine has an efficiency of 50% when its source is at a temperature of 327 degrees Celsius. In that case, what is the temperature of the sink? We know that percentage efficiency is equal to 1 minus temperature of the sink, that we don't know, divided by temperature of the source, that is given here, times 100. Let us convert the source temperature into Kelvin first. So T source is 327 plus 273, therefore this is 600 K. Percentage efficiency is given as 50%. Therefore 50 equal to 1 minus T sink divided by 600 times 100. Therefore we can write that 50 divided by 100 is equal to 1 minus T sink divided by 600. Therefore this is 1 by 2 equal to 1 minus T sink by 600. Therefore temperature of the sink divided by 600 is equal to half. Therefore this will become 300. So temperature of the sink in Kelvin is 300 Kelvin. So minus 273 would become 27 degree Celsius, and therefore option 1 is correct.